My name's Cameron Bell, and this is Rotobrush International's RotoVent Vac 2. We're going to show you a few different things here with our system, and this is going to be our dry vent cleaning equipment. We have two of these systems, the RotoVent Vac 2, you see here, and the RotoVent Vac 1. The difference is going to be about a 40% increase in suction going from the 1 to the 2. We're going to show you the system, how it connects to the dryer. Also, it connects to a drill pretty quickly and easily, and also comes with a set of rod kits that we'll talk about. The first thing we're going to talk about is the rods and the brush. You'll have a couple brushes, and this is how they connect together. It's a pin and hole design. You depress the pin and slide it, and it clicks into the hole. Locks it in place so you don't lose the brush in the duct. All the rods connect together in the same format. Pin and hole design. You hear a little snap, and it clicks into place. It's connected to the drill. You're going to have a drill bit attachment. This also has the pin and hole attachment. Depress it, clicks in, and you attach this into your drill. As you spin it, you're going to want to start off slow. You want to spin it fast enough to break up the lint, but not too fast like you're putting a screw into some wood. Pin and hole design, pretty simple and easy. Now, connecting your hose to the vac system and to the dry vent line. Simple connection, 3-point connector. It'll lock whether you rotate it left or right. Coming over to our dryer opening, normally it'll be about 4 inches just about everywhere. So here's the Y adapter. Base end goes into the wall. The other end's connected to the vac. And this is where we insert our auger or the rod kit. Feeding the rods and the brush into the dry vent. We use our flap here. You may have to open it up a little bit more depending on how tight it is, but we're going to feed it in. We give it some rotation with our drill, and this whole time our vac system is going to be on. So as it breaks up the lint, it's going to pull it back to our vac system. Some ducts may go up into the ceiling, some may go down into a slab, but either way, this is a wet, dry, capable system. So whether it's going up into the attic and out the roof, or it's going down through a basement, maybe out a slab or something like that, it'll still be just fine. Power switches. This RotoVent Vac 2 has 3 power switches, 3 different levels of power, depending on how much you need. The RotoVent Vac 1 has 2 power switches. Disconnecting our hose to attach the Shop-Vac tools. Again, left or right rotation. Grab our Shop-Vac attachment hose. Left or right, clicks in. Now we've got normal Shop-Vac tools. We can use these tools to clean up if there's lint that is on the floor, on the ground, behind the dryer, and also just leave our workstation cleaner than we found it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward and easy to use. This is the RotoVent Vac 2 from Rotobrush. Give us a call at 1-800-535-3878, or you can find us online at rotobrush.com. If you like this video, like and subscribe. We've got a lot more videos and content for you.